Yo, what is up guys, this is Tito back with another video. And some days ago I was watching Jonathan Morrison's video, and that guy is like making amazing videos. I'm a super fan of Jonathan Morrison from TLD. I'll link the channel in the description if you have not seen it, which you probably already did. But in that video I saw something that I wanted to buy, and I was thinking that I'll get it when I hit 10k subscribers mark, which I just hit. And thank you so much to all of you guys. I have reached 10k subscribers mark and way to go. So I just got the product. Well, that is the Zoom H1n, and I am still using this Boya M1 for this voiceover. But let me show you that I ordered some packages, which is over here and over here. So let me just unbox these packages and show you what's inside. So this is the biggest package, and here is my knife. So let's just unbox and see what are the things inside. Here we have the two rechargeable AAA Duracell batteries. Here is a AAA battery charger, and this is the mini tripod, which is the Amazon Basics one, and this is the Zoom H1n. So nothing else inside this box. And inside this package we have some windshield, if you can call it that way. So here are they. And on top of the box, let me just show you, it just says Zoom H1n handy sound recorder or audio recorder, and stereo recording over here it says, for film, broadcast music. And this is one of the best mic you can get for YouTube videos if you need one. And the MRP over here says 7,999, but I got it for around 5,300 on the Diwali offer on Amazon. So let's just open the box and let's put these things aside for a moment. Here we have some paperwork and some more paperwork, I guess, and the warranty stuff is over here. This is just the quick start guide. Who reads these kind of things? Here we get these two AAA batteries because this one needs AAA batteries. And over here we get the mic itself. Let me just open it. I was almost about to drop it. And here it is. Seems pretty light in the hand. And this is like totally made out of plastic, but the build quality feels pretty good in the hand. Here we have a tripod mount. Well, to be honest, I do not know at all how to use this thing, but I'll try to figure it out. And do we get any cables? I don't know. I don't think anything else is inside the box. So let's just put it aside, and I'll just put the batteries inside. Let me just put my knife aside. And here is the battery compartment, as you can see. And you can even just plug it in with any micro USB cable and it will be working fine. So if you're running out of batteries, you can just draw power from micro USB. You do not need to worry. And I even got this Samsung 32GB micro SD card from this deal again. And I got it for 500 rupees, pretty good deal. Let me just open and put the SD card inside. So here is the micro SD card slot, which comes like from a flap kind of thing, which you find on DSLRs. I was putting it wrong way. So here I inserted my micro SD card. So to turn it on, you just need to hold this power button, like pull this power button and hold it. And here the screen just lit up. Let me just set it up. English and Chinese. Of course, I'll go with English. So it says done. It's just checking the SD card, I guess. So it's done, and here it shows the battery level, and it shows how much like time left for the recording. You can change the audio quality, I guess, from here. So you can record the audio in like MP3, WAV, and in WAV you have these kind of formats: 48 kbps in 16 bit, then you have 96 kbps, and then you have like MP3. So the highest you can go is to like the 96k 24 bit, and the low cut is set to off, and we have a limiter over here, and over here we have the audio level, and here we have this audio dialer. Let me just try it. So as you can see, right now it's inputting the audio. So for this I bought some other things, and over here we have a line out jack. Over here to the side, to the left side, we have a volume up and down button, because you can play back the music from here. As you can see, you can play, pause, stop, next, whatever you want to. And this is of course the red record button, and we have this like line in button over here, and you can connect any lav mic to over here. And this is how the mics looks like actually. So this is the Amazon Basics mini tripod, which I bought to use it with this thing. So I can just mount it over here, and you can just like put the legs, like increase the legs, I guess. Yeah, as you can see. So it can just go like this, which is pretty great, as you can see. And you can move this ball head, I guess. Well, yeah, as you can see, and you can just lock it in any place just like this. It won't move now. So you can just adjust it however you want to. So let me just put it over here. So I have to say this thing is pretty small. Like I thought it would be a little bit bigger, like the mic itself, but it's pretty small. So I think I'm pretty much set with this. So I'll just test it out. So I have set this dialer to 5, I guess, and let me just record and see how it works. So this is how it looks like after setting it up, and I know my table is a little bit like moving around, so I can't help that, but I can just use this mic for my daily driving or my YouTube videos right now or from now on. So this is how the device itself actually look like, and you can even connect it with PC with the micro USB cable and use it as a PC mic too. If you're a gamer, it will help you maybe, and if you're using a blue snowball or something, this is gonna be a lot better, I guess. And the screen of this one is pretty visible in daylight too, if you just light it up, as you can see. And if you shoot outdoors and stuff, this is gonna help you. So this is how the audio should sound like outside if you're recording outside, and this is gonna be without any editing. And I have set the volume levels, I guess, to 7. So that is it, and you may hear some like hand noise maybe because I'm holding it in the hand. So that is that, and you can have an idea about the wind noise or the normal noise if I keep it silent for a moment. So I guess you just have an idea about how it sounds like. So you can definitely edit and make it sound better in editing, but as you can see, this is how it sounds like as of now. There is a bit of wind going on, so you can hear the noise of the wind. Of course, I have this filter on. If I just put it like so, pretty handy thing. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not yet, because many more awesome contents on custom ROMs will be coming soon on the channel. So this is Tito from H1n Tech signing off for today. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.